I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Introduction to Python Programming. So in this video, we will be learning about the major career opportunities of Python programming. So I just wanted to give the importance of learning Python programming. As you can observe, the statistics of different languages which is available in the industry. If I talk about the comparison of various type of languages, you can see the Python. It is dominating. Almost 30% of the users are mainly concentrating on the Python languages. Most of the domain, they are adopting Python languages. Next to Python, that is Java. It is around 19 to 20%. So these are the strategy you can strategy of business organization. Why they are going to adopt Python is due to the simplicity. It's an open source. You can adopt very easily. Okay. Now, when I talk about the various sectors, so nowadays AI and ML, artificial intelligence and machine learnings are quite popular. So most of the applications they are going to adopt Python. If I talk about the web development, people are mainly depending on Python. Then regarding the data science, there is a data analytics, business analytics purpose. People are using Python. Even the software development purposes, they are mainly focusing on the Python. So from this, we can understand the significance of Python, why we have to learn the Python, what is the significance, why they have added the Python in our curriculum. So regarding the career growth, if I talk about the career growth, there are ample of opportunity. At this point of time, you try to earn the skill as much as possible, then build a job profile. Later, you can apply for various posts. From the as a fresher, you will be able to get 80. You can anticipate around 80 to 1.2 lakhs per month salary. You can average salary. Okay, for a in general only. So based on the statistics, so I found that it's around 80 to 1.2 lakhs, 80k to 1.2 lakhs per month you can earn if you have a very good skills in the domain of Python programming. Still it varies, but I'm giving an arbitrary the range of salaries which you can expect after having an excellent skill in the domain of Python programming. So hope you understood the significance why we are learning about Python programming. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you are having any queries.